so naghahanap din pala kayo ng libro para sa exams natin next week?
Well, yeah, because some of our current lessons aren't in our current book, so we're here to find some books that are related to our lessons.
Akalain na yun, malapit na din matapos yung school year na to.
Totoo, ang dami din pala nating activities na ginawa simula ng August.
Well, yeah, ngayon na lang uli naging active yung school simula nung nagka-pandemic, no?
Oo nga, bumalik na din yung mga dati nating activities before pandemic, kagaya nung buwan ng wika noong August.
Lalo pa tayong napa-exercise sa September dahil sa Science and Math Month, no?
Oo, bet na bet ko rin talaga yung mga red lips natin noong October nung nag-United Nations tayo.
Oo nga tsaka nung November, napalaban talaga yung mga boses ni Isidorian sa speech choir.
Kasabay ng mga red outfits and red lips natin, yung Christmas party outfits natin. Grabe, sobrang saya nun, no? Lalo na yung presentation ng original songs.
And for us to profess our faith, nagkaroon din tayo ng biblical play noong January.
At sa akin naman, favorite ko talaga yung month ng February. Kasi, yun yung month ng foundation ng school. Ang daming nagaganap na events tuwing nagaganap yung month ng February. Meron tayong mga pag-boots, may mga competitions, pageants, and intramurals dito sa loob ng school natin.
Then here comes March naman. Pinaka-excited ako sa March is probably yung promenade ng mga seniors and juniors. Sobrang nakaka-excite makita yung mga kagandahan at kagapuhan nila.
And lastly, ang April. Yun talaga yung pinaka-productive month ng mga seniors, no? Kasi doon nagaganap yung research defense nila.
Pero kahit gaano pa rin karami ang mga activities natin this year, hindi pa rin natin nakakalimutan na mag-focus sa pag-aaral natin. Katulad na lang ni Saint Isidore.
Well, yeah, I read and watched his life story somewhere. And sabi nga doon, nauuna ni Saint Isidore na magdasal sa simbahan bago siya magtrabaho. Kung sa atin naman, ng mga Isidorians, inuuna muna natin syempre mag-aral bago tayo gumawa ng mga extracurricular activities.
Ay, oo, nabasa ko din yan sa textbook natin about sa life story ni Saint Isidore. Alam niyo ba, napagalitan pa si Saint Isidore ng landlord niya kasi napagkamalan siya na mali yung ginagawa niya sa trabaho niya.
Pero Alexa, Hannah, paano nangyari na ganun yung naging buhay ni Saint Isidore?
Sa panahon ni Saint Isidore, ito ang mga nangyari sa kanya.
In the quiet countryside of Spain, amidst the fields of San Isidro, a humble farmer toiled under the watchful gaze of heaven. Born into poverty in the 12th century, Isidore knew the hardships of labor and the solace of prayer.
His days were spent cultivating the earth, his heart ever attuned to the whispers of the divine.
Excuse me, Don Fernando.
Ah, Juan, what brings you here?
It's about Isidore, sir.
Isidore? What about him?
Well, sir, we've noticed that Isidore has been consistently late in his work lately.
Is that so? I see. This is concerning indeed.
We didn't want to trouble you, sir, but we felt that it's our duty to bring it to your attention.
Don Fernando, you asked to see me.
Yes, Miguel, I have a task for you. I need you to investigate why Isidore has been arriving late to work.
Understood, sir. I'll look into it right away.
Okay.
Isidore, may I speak with you for a moment?
Yes, Miguel. What is it?
Don Fernando has noticed that you've been arriving late to work recently. He asked me to find out why.
I understand. The truth is, Miguel, I've been attending Mass every morning before coming to work.
Mass? But why?
Because my faith is important to me, Miguel. It gives me strength and guidance throughout my day.
I see. But if you're attending Mass before work, how do you manage to finish your task on time?
With the grace of the Lord, Miguel, He blesses my effort and I am able to work efficiently.
I understand. Thank you, Isidore. I'll inform Don Fernando of what you've said today.
Indeed. Thank you for your time.
Well, Miguel, what did you find out?
Sir, it seems that Isidore has been attending Mass every day before work.
Boss, but how does he manage to complete his task on time?
He credits it to its faith, sir. Isidore believes that God's grace helps him work efficiently.
Very well, Miguel. Thank you for investigating. I will speak to Isidore about this matter.
Of course, Don Fernando.
Let's see what Isidore is up to. Where's Isidore? Angels?
But amidst the toil, Isidore and his beloved wife Maria found joy in sharing their meager harvest with those in need.
And, in their acts of charity, miracles unfolded as the bounty of their fields multiplied beyond measure.
Yet, it was not the miracles that defined Isidore's legacy, but rather his unwavering devotion to God.
For in the quiet rhythm of a farmer's life, Isidore found communion with the divine, and his faith became a beacon of hope for all who knew him.
And so, as we celebrate the feast day of Saint Isidore, let us remember the simple virtues he embodied: faith, humility, and compassion.
Talaga nga naman ang dami nangyari sa buhay ni Saint Isidore. Oo, katulad lang ng ang daming nagaganap dito sa ADSI. Kasi akalaan mo yun, ang daming pinagdaanan ng ADSI. And ngayon, malapit na siya mag 25 years.